What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video.
She got a rope, shorty, should be that squishing the yo. I'm feeling the vibe, she liking the style, keep it on the low. I bought the bar, she look like a star, we ready to toast. Shorty's bad, she really bad, she not one of those. She got a rope, shorty's different, leave her alone. She got a rope, shorty ain't tripping, she gotta go. Shorty, she bad, she got a bag, she not one of those.
In today's video, we're going to be working with Alipop hair. I received a 13x4 frontal deep curly 180 density 24-inch frontal wig, and y'all, this hair is popping. I tried something with these styles. You know, lately I just been doing middle side, so I tried to change it up and do a style. And y'all, I was not expecting the style to come out this way. The knots bleached very well. The lace melted excellent. Like, I love. I was honestly sleeping on this hair because I feel like I heard about Alipop but years ago, so I was kind of scared. But other than that, y'all, the hair turned out great. I feel like I could have perfected the style a little more, but other than that, y'all, the hair is good. The curls is bomb. All I did was add water and conditioner and the curls started popping. I barely had any type of shedding. The only shedding I had was when I plucked the wig. And yeah, I would say, honestly, I would recommend this hair. It's very lightweight. It's not too hot, even though it's hot outside right now. The hair is not too heavy. You know, curly hair can be hot sometimes. But yeah, the hair is good. I highly recommend this hair. Thank you guys for sending me this wig. I love. The exact wig will be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.